In this video, we have a Lincoln MKZ, and this vehicle just came out of the shop, and before that was sitting for about 6 months. So it had a lot of mildew on the hood, roof, and trunk. I did not do a shampoo or the seats in this particular job. I just focused on the doors and the dash and the center console. But it still got a good vacuum, and of course, we cleaned the mats for them. In addition to the basic quick wash, I did a headlight restoration. So here we go. Detailed therapy at its best. Take a look. Let me know what you think.